Are you ready to be blown away? Because I am excited to share with you my brand new listing in Osage Beach. This is Ethan Lee with Remax Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro team, and I have a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, over 3,300 square foot with a 2-car attached garage with just under 2 acres. This house is completely remodeled. We are in Hawk Island Estates at 1541 Island Court. Come in and take a look. Here in the kitchen, we have quartz countertops, a brand new island, all new fixtures, vertically hung shiplap, brand new stainless steel appliances. This kitchen has everything, including a ton of space. You can do whatever you want. This house is practically maintenance-free and multiple areas to entertain with its expansive decks and a killer fire pit in the backyard. The subdivision also offers a community pool, tennis courts, just down the road is a ramp to launch your boat, and right around the corner is a place to rent boat slips. So if you want some more information about this home, please give us a call at the Jason Whittle All-Pro team at 800-836-2005 and we would love to take care of you. See you next time.